Hey guys, welcome back. So this is teaser video number 3. And this year you can expect at the Draggins Rod and Custom 63rd annual show, 240 plus vehicles on display. This is one of them. Shane, look at this. This is cool.
Oh, this bike. We're at Bernie's Machine Shop today. This is a 39 Harley. You guys...
37.
Oh, sorry, 37. You guys got to see this. Unbelievable.
Very
the amount
rare.
of work he put into this thing. It is cool. You guys got to come down to the Draggins Car Show, Easter long weekend, 18th and 19th. There's Hot Wheels, face painting, valve covers, everything for the kids. Come check it out. All your money goes to Camp Easter Seal. It's 20 bucks to get in, and then you can see a bike like this and lots of other cool rides, Gary.
Yeah, very rare and unique, unusual bike. Bernie actually had to fabricate the head bolts on this bike just to give you an idea what you're looking at. This is very, very interesting, unique, rare, beautiful bike.
Got to come down to Prairieland Park, 18th and 19th. Don't miss out.
Yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next one.